Hey science lovers, it is Becky with Lab Rat Academy. I am standing next to something amazing called a bay tree. It's called a California Bay Laurel, and these very fragrant, spicy leaves, if you crush them in your fingers, you can smell this amazing pungent aroma, which people normally use for cooking with. They actually use the other kind of species called the Italian bay, but this one also smells really strong. And the natives that live in this area use the bay nuts from this to make things like a coffee-like drink, and they also ground it up to make some flour. And I also heard one of the things that they used to do when they have a cold is that they would smell this and it would clear their sinuses. Now, a funny story is at one time I actually did have like a sinus infection, and I'm like, I'm gonna try that because I'm on a hike, and I rolled it up and I stuck it up in my nose and I went like this. I sniffed it, and oh my gosh, this was so strong that it gave me this terrible headache for the rest of the day. I think I snorted this leaf way too hard. So bay leaves, very, very strong, very pungent, but these bay laurels that I have here in Santa Cruz are not the ones I normally cook with. I actually cook with the Italian ones. I put it in my stews, I put it in soupy type things, sometimes in my spaghetti to give it a nice robust flavor. Science is so amazing. I love how we can just learn great things about how we can use leaves for our food, to flavor things, to make it more enjoyable to eat. I hope you guys learned something amazing, and God is so fun. I love His creation. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.